What's up, everybody? This is Michael at FOUCH FABS. Today I wanted to talk about the type of A-frames we use. So if you're a granite shop and you need to buy A-frames, any granite shop will. When I first started, that was the main thing I needed to find. That was one of the first things, because you can't have stone if you don't have A-frames. And I started out buying these like this right here, and they're like foldable A-frames. You can look at the back of it here. They got this little bar here. But the thing about them, they're almost straight up and down. I've lost like 5 slabs with wind blowing them over. I now use my little ratchet straps to keep that from happening. I had to cut my own wood to put in the little reservoirs right here. And of course I mounted them into the asphalt here. So with the ratchet strap and making your own wood and stuff, these work pretty good. They run about 200 bucks. Well, after I bought these, I had the guys make me some that match these. They made me probably, I don't know, 15 or so that match these. I wish they hadn't. I didn't tell them to, but that's what they did. But last year, I think it was, they come out with these Hercules A-frames. Now when I bought those, the only other A-frames I could find were $500, $600, $700, $800, $1,000, and that one was $200, so that's why I got it. Well, then when I discovered these Hercules that they had come out with, and you can see the difference in the thickness. This one right here, it's like 1.5 inches thick that way, and you can see it's like really, really thin material. You can see how straight up and down it is. You can see how little the bar is. I mean, in my opinion, that's just not a great A-frame right there. These Hercules here are the exact same price as those. That's 2 1/4 inches compared to the 1.5 inches. The bar here is way bigger. It's like 1.5 inches. It's about double the size of that one. Plus, they come with their own wood in there, and they've got a much better angle for the stone to sit on. Also with these here, the crappy ones that I don't like, they're not like level. When you put your stone on there, like one area will push out and one will touch, and you've got to get a metal bar and pry the bottom up to get the top to touch, and then the bottom's off. If I look real hard, I can probably find, yeah, if you come right here and look, right here on the bottom, as you can see, it's not touching. So where this A-frame is not square like it's supposed to be, you gotta pry that bottom out so that the top touches, so that when you slam it down, it don't break. They're just not great. So we've been blessed as we've grown. I'd say we've probably grown 300+% since we've opened. I've actually met and started using some awesome distributors. Easy Stone, Obby down at Easy Stone, they are freaking awesome, man. I recommend anybody goes down there and picks out stone. I just can't say enough good things about them. They're great. They're my #1 supplier right now. We just got a good relationship. GK Granite, they're another good one we work with. Levantina, AGM, they're good ones. We also work with Stone Basics, Webbed On. Anyways, we've got some good distributors now. So inside I probably got 15, 20, 25 colors. Over in front of the building there, I probably got another 10 to 15. Out here I probably got 20 to 30. So I've probably got, I don't know, 50, 60, 70 colors right now. So I needed a bunch of A-frames. They ran a special on these. I think it was like buy 2, get 1 free. So we had to pause. I had a guy hollering at me from across the way. But we got a lot of stone now, and we had to get us some A-frames. They had a special. It was like buy two, get one free, or buy one, get one free. It was something like that. And I had just bought 3 of these, so I went ahead and bought like 5 more. So total on these, I probably bought, I would say, 15 or so. 15 cents, that is. 200 bucks a pop. Costs about, I don't know, 150 bucks to get them shipped here. But it don't matter if you buy 1 or 5, it's the same price to get them shipped. They come from Braxton and Bragg. You can go to braxtonandbragg.com. It says it right here. There's some other places you can buy A-frames from, like Granite Quartz and people who they paired with. But I had a bad experience with them. I got the video, but I didn't post it because my wife begged me not to. But anyways, their return policy is not good. I just didn't have a good experience with them. So I recommend you go to Braxton or Bragg for any of your A-frame needs. Get these Hercules A-frames. I can show them to you in the book. If you need that, just ask me in the comments and I'll post that up there. I'll show Gary, he might be able to post it up. But anyways, these are great A-frames. They'll last you forever. They're cheap and they'll do what you need to do. Guys, if you have any ideas on some videos you want to watch, I'll take the time, research it out, and make you some, good long videos. We've just been super busy right now, and I just wanted to get a couple quick ones out there for you. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you're all staying safe out there with the virus and everything. And